Hey there. So this is actually I think it's my first stash update. Um, and we're going to start with this, which is AK Dark Steel. It's a pigment that you can brush on, or I guess you could airbrush it too. But I saw in a video, actually by Billy Strange, that he tried it out and used it, and I thought it had very good results. So, and I'll actually link to his video below, so you can check it out how he did it. But it just looked like a good idea, so I wanted to give it a try. I really liked the way it looked. So it's just a small bottle, and that's the first thing. The second thing is, yep, there's a kit involved. Is this kit here. So I've been wanting this kit for a little bit since it came out. So I finally saw one at a good price and went ahead and got it. Just got it going. Not that I want to build it right away, but I build a lot of TV and movie models. Not just cars, but science fiction, stuff like that I have. But I have a lot of car models that are not TV and movie subjects as well. This will be a good addition to the ones that I have. And it's pretty cool. I mean, it's 1/25th scale. It's a curbside, but I mean, it comes with so much stuff. I could see why they spent all the tooling coming out with it. I mean, the car has a bunch of cool gadgets. So, you're looking at all kinds of different things, and it's got the brushes to brush away the tire marks so they can't be followed, and the aerial drone in the back. It's got two figures. Of course, Kato and the Green Hornet. It's got the two dashboards, the one in the front and the one in the back, the special one. It's got the gas emitter. He never used a gun. He used to use a gas gun that would knock the gas that came out of the gun would knock people out, then fire bullets. I would imagine that was because this was probably more or less a kid's show. It was probably in a time slot on TV when kids would watch it. It was probably right before or after Batman from the 60s. This would have been back then in the late 60s. Of course, Kato was Bruce Lee, and Van Williams was the Green Hornet. And has, all these custom rims, has the rockets and green headlights, all kinds of different things with it. Green visor that drops down it gets installed. It's a Chrysler 300 I think it's a Chrysler 300. It's not a Plymouth or Dodge, I don't think. But that was the original car before George Barris or whoever did it. It wasn't George Barris. It was, I don't remember, Dean Jeffries maybe, that originally modified it. It says 82 parts, but it looks like more than that. These cars were big, 9 inches long. I mean, for a model, most model cars come around 8, unless it's a pickup truck or something. This 9 inches, that's a big car. Let's see if we can get some more pictures here. So, no, but it should be cool. I watched the TV show when it came out. Not when it came out, but I mean in reruns. And then I actually had the video a long time ago before you could even buy it. I'm not even sure you can buy it today, as far as downloading or DVD or anything. It only ran for like maybe 12, 15 episodes. There wasn't very many. There was a cameo where Batman and the Green Hornet played scenes in the same show that crossed over a little bit. There's a famous picture of the two cars together. But for some reason it never took off like Batman did, so I don't know why. But in Japan, when they aired this show, it was actually known as the Kato show because Kato was the driver, so he was the more important person, and then the Slacky rode in the back. So if you want to go that route, it's for the Kato show. That's the Black Beauty. So this is my one kit, and this is what I got. This is my stash update, as small as it is. But as an added bonus to this video, I actually have a green Hornet car that was made in resin. I want to say, I don't remember what year I bought this, but probably between the late 90s, 2000, I'm guessing. I don't remember exactly. Or early to mid 2000s. It was made by a company called TNT Productions. They made a lot of models for different TV shows. Some of them were 1/16 scale, like George Barris Monster Coach. And this was the one I bought from them. I don't remember how much it was, but it wasn't that much for the time. And it's a fair, I mean, they did a good job on it. It's got all molded in the bottom and everything. It's a heavy kit. It's a heavy, thick resin. I don't remember, the top might have been a separate part. I don't remember. But it has all the attributes of the real car. And I didn't have any problem with it. I mean, it's all one color. That's pretty easy to paint. It actually had two figures. I believe the figures cost a little extra when you ordered it, but I went ahead and paid that and ordered it. So I got my two figures, Kato and the Green Hornet, to go with it. And those were pretty cool. I put the pieces of plastic on the bottom so they would stand up. So that's what I have. I mean, I added one new kit to the stash, but it'll look good next to this one. And I've had this one for years, but it's pretty cool. It's a TV model, so, and plus I was a fan, I'm still a fan of it. It's a very well done series. A lot of famous actors you'll see in it sometimes that went on to become very famous. But so that's what I have for my first stash. So that's it. And it's not a lot, but I don't buy a lot of models all the time just to buy them. I'm very picky and particular about what I get, so I'm a little slow at it. But I hope you enjoyed the video. So we'll catch you next time.